everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. We're posting a lot of beauty related content here on my channel, and this week we're still continuing on with Revolution Week, and in this video we will be doing a review, if it was the right way up, on this bad boy here. So this is a 66 pan palette eyeshadow palette. Anywho, it's the XXCENTRIC palette. It literally looks like this. It's massive. Again, this isn't my favorite color story out of the two. There's a lot of pops of color in here, so for all you guys and girls that love color, you might like this one better than the explicit, but for people who like neutral berry undertone type of eyes, then you're gonna like explicit better. So Eccentric definitely has a lot of color to it, which means I'm going to have to use color. I haven't used colour in a little while because I feel like I've been stepping away from colour just so that I can do what I really love, which is pinks, neutrals type of things. You know, I think I bought this before I even looked at the colour story. I'll swatch some shades right at the end because I feel like there's a lot of shades to swatch, and I'll do what I did in my explicit video and I won't swatch every shade. I'll swatch the ones that are really like appealing to me. I have finally done my eyebrows and filmed it for my vlog, which I'm actually doing today, so that I think it was Rebecca that asked for it, so you can see how I do my eyebrows. Keep wanting to like go towards like yellow oranges, but I do that quite a lot. Should we do green with silver? So like taking this green down here all in my outer corner. There is a lot of fallout in this palette though, like a lot. Then I want to go in with this bottom green and blend that out. Actually went on perfectly. Then from the top I want to take this green shade here just to blend it out. It is blending nicely, and that is the only shade not to have that much kickback. Looking towards this big shade in the middle for my lid, like let's swatch it because I want a nice silver. Oh, it's so soft. Yeah, it's a purple. I feel like these are more toppers. That is the shade. Gold would go well, but I want silver. You know what? I'm thinking this shade at the bottom. It's that shade there. Or that big green from the center, which I feel like it will just blend in. Which is more of like a lime green. Look, I'm basically swatching for you right now. Oh, this coppery shade. Will that go? Even if it don't go, should we just make it go? That was, oh, this shade here. Like it's going on nicely. I feel like this would go well if I was to do like leopard print throughout my eyelid, but I can't do that. And there we have it. It's a different kind of color story. It's reminding me of like Smurfs or an animal. Like I feel like I said, that you could put like, oh look, I've just scraped color on my lip. You could put like leopard dots here and it'd look amazing. But thoroughly like this. I'm wondering, I'm gonna go in with first green that we used and just pat it on just a tiny bit, and it looks stunning. It's a weird colour combination, but I really like it. Threw on Roxy lashes as usual, as well as her liner. Now I'm not going to show you my whole face, but I do want to use this Unicorn Glow Serum Primer. Let's see, it looks a bit more runny, so I'll do a bit at a time. Oh, it is nice and soft. It does remind me of the MUA Pro Base. It smells sweet. I think I can see slight shimmer particles on my face, but nothing too heavy. but my skin looks really glowy, which I like. I'm gonna put some conceal and define on, and then I'll come back when I've got new products to test. I want to try one of these Super Dewy blushes again, so we're gonna use the shade Blush Me Up. I'm not sure if this is the shade I used in the first coach. I can really not remember in the first one. These are just such lovely blushes. I just love these blushes, proper love them. I've got to get a little bit of a better technique, but so in love. So I actually just want to put a bit of my Rimmel True Matte over. I have a new bronzer to test. This is Chocolate Ice. I don't know if I've actually tested this, but I think I unboxed it from some sort of Revolution unboxing. That is really nice. It's like you just need you can dip your brush in a lot, but it won't come out too pigmented. For highlight, I'm going in with Golden. What do we do for lips? Head turner. I feel like it's got to be this shade. Yeah. Loving this shade. Need to complete the eyes, and so I'm thinking of going back in with that dark green and just smoking it out the end of my lash line. Then on the inner corner, go in with this green down the bottom that we used as a second shade, I want to say. And for our inner corner, I want to go in with this like lime green shimmer. This is the finished look. There's nothing more to say. Like, I really love the palette. The colour story is just not a bit of me, but the colour story is something nice if you like a bit of pop of colour but not too heavy on the colour, you know, like a rainbow palette. I actually like the colour. I did struggle a bit with that shimmer over my lid. Like, I do feel it's a little bit patchy, but other than that, that palette was gorgeous. This worked so well. I will be using this again and again and again. Really like this little palette here. I'm so glad I've got it, because when I'm tanned, I would love that bronzier gold on my skin tone. That liquid blush is to die for. Proper to die for. I want to learn if I can put them over powders so they're just a little bit more pigmented. But I'm really in love with liquid blushes at the moment. So I really hope you did enjoy this little video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I feel like I should do like a full face of favourites. So I'm going to be doing that next. I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.